It's been 12
He's got
minutes.
5 minutes left. If he doesn't call Dave in 5 minutes, Julia's dead.
Anything?
Negative.
How about you? Any good news?
No, nothing.
Oh, come on, Ethan. What is that?
When I was little, I had a cat. He used to run away all the time. It was just a prayer I'd say to bring him home.
Teach it to me.
I've got the rabbit's foot, but I can't make it to the roof.
What the hell do you mean you can't make it to the roof? Where are you?
Look up, look up, look up!
Oh, shit!
He's way too low.
Ethan! Get in, they're coming!
Who?
Building security and they're pissed!
Go, 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 go!
How much time you got left?
Less than 2 minutes. You gotta get us out of here. I lost the signal.
You okay?
Not yet.
I don't have a signal. I don't have a signal.
I'm on it, I'm on it, I'm on it! Sam!
Damn it, I'm sorry.
Put pressure on it. Tell me when you get a signal.
What are you doing? I got a signal!
Hit redial.
You only had 5 seconds left. Do you realize that?
The rabbit's foot. I have it.
The train yard at Henan Zhonglu. Wait for me there, alone.
Yeah,
Go secure it.
we are.
I have the rabbit's foot.
You okay?
I'm tagging it now. You need to run a trace, make sure we have eyes on this thing.
What's the tag?
639641.
Got it. I see you on Longtau Road.
If you don't hear from me in 8 hours, you send an army after this thing.
Good luck.
You too.
Mr. Musgrave,
Yeah.
it's come to my attention that yesterday afternoon you sent a team to the Far East.
We received intel that Haddam Salim Bahar was en route to Shanghai.
Haddam Salim Bahar.
That's right.
You know what I'd love? I'd love to see that intel. I'll be in my office.
Yes, sir.
Thanks again. I'll see you back home.
Ethan, you know they probably plan to kill you both.
Then I won't see you back home. Better get back.